Okay, so this is a brief tutorial on how to start a simple program in RobotC. First, you're going to want to click on RobotC for LEGO Mindstorms. Remember, you don't want the one that says graphical. RobotC for LEGO Mindstorms. Also today, we are connecting to an actual robot, so we don't want virtual worlds, we want the real one. So double click and open RobotC. While it's opening, make sure that you're going to want to make sure that your NXT is powered up and connected with the cord. So remember, the orange button is going to turn that on. Today we are using basic motor commands, so make sure that your motors are also connected, and they should be connected into the A, B, or C ports. Make sure that those are in here. Now within RobotC, we're going to say click on Robot, and make sure that under platform type it's NXT. And then we're going to open a sample program. For today, you're going to want NXT basic motor commands. Double click. And moving forward, double click. To run the program, you are going to go to Robot and then compile and download the program. Don't forget, actually, before you compile and download, we're going to say File, Save As, and it was moving forward. We're going to change that to a unique name like Moving Forward McNally, and I'm going to save it as that before going to Robot, Compile, and Download. And that's it.